Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, this is kind of a panic situation in the markets happening now. Let's not get panic, let's stick to our SLs because we have seen good ups and downs. So even this, we need not worry. Okay, so as I planned, today I got a trade here exactly at 11:30 I got it. I entered and exited immediately. Two candles gave me a good 1:2 risk to reward ratio and exited it. I was not holding it. And let's see tomorrow's trade. Market's in a very middle place, so it might definitely go volatile in this place, or it might start going up. Only if it breaks below 22,220 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it, or 225 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. I have no plans of selling or buying anything before that. So this is the spot, and my SL will be around 30 points. Okay, so that's it, and my target will be exactly at this 22,095. That's it for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty gave us a very good target. It was just a small scalp, 1:1. We entered and we exited immediately. It was nothing great. Immediately I exited here. It was like this, enter and exit, because here it was a very good support was there, so I exited immediately. So tomorrow, this is a spot where I'm expecting a trade to break down. If it crosses 47,182 and below, I'll be looking forward to short it, and my target will be 46,964. We cannot go aggressive anywhere here. It's because I know this is a very good false sentiment, but this is a zone. If you guys see, this is the previous history. Here you guys can see it's a zigzag and then up. There is a very high probability it can zigzag. It has to come down, take resistance, and then come down. Okay, it shouldn't come down straight, it will go up, so be cautious on that. But there is a high probability it can go sideways. Let's wait for the market to decide and then trade. But I'll be shorting only post 47,192 and below. Next is US oil. US oil, I had a stop loss at noon today, and then again I had an entry here. I had an entry exactly at this spot. I had an entry, and this was a 50-point stop loss. Exactly above this candle was my stop loss, like this. Yeah, 50-point stop loss. Now I'm holding on to this. I have a lot of space to be covered. Now I'm sitting at 1:1.5. My target is at $75.85. I've entered at $77.65. So I've shorted the US oil. Next is gold. Gold, if you guys see, I'm still holding to this trade. I'll be only adding post this. As I said, there is no strong closing anywhere, so I'm gonna wait on it. If it closes strongly above this level, I'll be buying it. That is, if it closes strongly above 22,186 and above, I'll be buying it. Okay, so, and I don't have any swing trade stock for today. I want to see which direction market's gonna move. Already I have a lot of stocks which are kind of struggling to move up. So Cipla is one. I'll show you Cipla is one. Now these are my stop losses. Then Power Grid, Bank of Baroda, this is my stop loss. Brigade has stop loss, and after that it came down. Coal India, no, I don't have Coal India. Nothing in Coal India. I have a HDFC Bank and Astral. I have then Indus Towers. I have. So these are the stocks I'm holding. Havels I have. Then Kalyan, Bajaj. Yeah, all these stocks I'm holding as of now. Yeah, so I'm just keeping my stop losses. I'm sticking to my stop loss. Profit or loss, let's see it later. We have to stick to a stop loss or target. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. Market is kind of negative, but it's not extremely negative, so hold on to your stop losses and sit. Don't get panicked. If it comes to your stop loss, book loss and move. We have another trades to catch. Don't panic. I hope all you guys are trading good. Thank you so much. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Only if you guys support, I'll be able to grow. Take care. Bye bye.